Ghana joins hundreds of countries to celebrate mental health in an event dubbed the Wholesome Mind Experience, centered on the theme psychological safety, children and adults, catastrophe and emergencies in focus. Speaking to Joy News on the sidelines, the Deputy Chief Executive Officer of the Mental Health Authority, Dr. Vivian Mami Abadazi, stressed the need to incorporate mental health screening into health response system.
Yeah, we are calling for all-inclusive mental health screening from the very beginning when somebody enters into a clinic, a hospital, a CHIP compound, because we've realized that early detection is key. If we are not able to detect mental health issues earlier on, it can lead to streetism. It can lead to people going into extreme form of mental distress. And that is very costly and expensive to treat.
Director of Man-Made Disaster ADNADMO, Maxwell Emmanuel Ligbe, identified gaps that continue to hinder effective mental health support during disasters.
We have a number of gaps that had to do with the nation fighting response to disasters in relation to mental health issues. Because it's not very visible, you don't see the response to mental health being on the on the banner, and so that is one gap. And because of that, you don't get finances to it. But again, we don't also have the technical people, in-depth technical people, to be able to respond to mental health issues. And that is another area that he's working for.
The World Health Organization representative Dr. Joanna Sean explained how African countries often give less attention to mental health in their planning and interventions.
The regional framework encourages countries to include mental health and psychosocial support services in preparedness response and post-recovery programming. However, the data shows that only 11 countries in the region have a mental health and psychosocial component as part of the national disaster preparedness thing. So we have 11 who have incorporated, and just 5 out of that are actually implementing a comprehensive primary care mental health integration to improve access to mental health services closer to communities.
As the world marks Mental Health Day, remember to care for your own well-being and check on others. Ask your neighbor, how are you coping? A simple question that can open the doors to timely support. Mental health, my priority. Mama Visefa Kote, reporting for Joy News.